morning to you all. I am Feroj Al Mahmud, Associate Research Director from the Ministry of Food, going to present the outcomes of the Food System National Dialogue and Bangladesh Commitment at the UN Food System Summit. Actually, you know that Bangladesh participated in the UNFSS process last year. Proceed was led by FPMU of the Ministry of Food, 3 national dialogues and 6 sub-national dialogues and 23 independent dialogues held. Following this dialogue, the country has made the pathway document which shows the ways to the sustainable, resilient and equitable food system in Bangladesh. Some highlights of the national pathway documents. Remarkable progress in agriculture has been achieved in Bangladesh. Diversification and good agriculture practice operational prioritize more research on input use efficiency and productivity. Sustainable intensification, diversification, emission reduction, and increasing resilience of production through adoption of agroecological practice and agri-food system modernization, including use of nanotechnology and development of ocean and blue economy will be prioritized. Increase investment for smallholder farmers, cottage, micro, small and medium enterprise and market facilities with ICT use, storage, transportation and communication infrastructure will be enhanced. Then producer group formation, financial service for the small farmers, vocational training and strengthening capacity will be enhanced. Social safety net for the poorest and most vulnerable sections of the people with their life cycle approach. Reducing food loss and waste will be given more focus. Ensure food safety, address malnutrition in all its forms. These all are relevant to SDGs. One health approach where greater coordination and collaboration between different ministries, divisions and agencies will be responsible for safeguarding human and animal health. Priority actions will be taken to reduce climate risk and make food system more resilient. Commitment organized under 5 UN Food System Summit action areas, that is nourish all people, boost nature-based solution, advance equitable livelihood, decent work and empower communities, build resilience to vulnerability, shocks and stress, accelerating the means of implementation. These are the 5 action areas. We have commitments under these 5 action areas. We have a lot of commitments, but very shortly I am presenting here. In national, under the action area 1, about the issue is reduce food loss and waste. Here we have many priority actions: a national strategy on food loss and waste, national action plan, awareness building, shortening the value chain, and encouraging consumption of locally produced and indigenous food. These all actions are relevant with the SDGs, and we have set the ministries for implementing these actions. At the last, at the rightmost column, the relevancy ministries who will actually implement these actions. Then food safety, best food practice, enforcement of regulatory system, and capacity strengthening of Bangladesh Accreditation Board, modern food testing laboratories, implementation of food safety strategic plan will be set up. Then priority for routine primary health care and antenatal care, investment in programs and approaches to promote optimal dietary pattern, nutrient intake, and enhance demand for healthy and sustainable diets. Then roll out national school meal program for providing nutritious food. Behavior change with breastfeeding and increased consumption of affordable diversified diets, including awareness regarding overweight, obesity, and increasing incidence of non-communicable diseases. Strategy for promotion of bio-fortified crop varieties and fortification initiative, particularly in salt and edible oil. Social safety net for broader human development, particularly the poor, and economic growth. Strengthen social protection for the poor and vulnerable based on a life cycle approach. Scale up adoption of government to person payment system, government to person payment system. Then adoption of agrological practice, agri-food system, blue economy. This has been highlighted in our pathway document. Research and technology will support focus on improving input use, efficiency, and productivity. And our agriculture has already started good agriculture practice that will be promoted. The knowledge and capacity of farmers use nature-based solution is highly encouraged. Water-saving technologies, reduce harmful pollution, and greenhouse gas emission will be reduced. Developing reliable and sustainable access to energy. Then producer groups will be formulated, backward and forward linkages, private investment in inputs, agri-food products, and services in remote areas will be given more emphasis. Capacity building of women and gender-related discrimination will be eliminated. Vocational training and entrepreneurship development for the youth will be encouraged. Increased investment to equip smallholder farmers and cottage, micro, small, and medium enterprise with technical and financial support will be given. And all these actions are relevant with SDGs. Also, these are relevant with the plan of action of the food and nutrition security policy that we made, and we have put the responsible ministries and agencies to actualize these actions. For action area 3, that is advanced equitable and livelihood, decent work, and empowered communities. Priority actions: rural growth centers market, and enhance storage, transport, and communication infrastructure, reduce intermediaries, and improve the profitability of smallholder. Encourage formation of producer group, contract farming, and increasing cooperatives and profitability of the farmers will be taken care of. Technical support for financial services, including mobile financing, expand use of ICTs and market linkages, and market infrastructural development will be given more emphasis. For One Health approach, ensure prevention and environment-related human and animal health threats that will be given more emphasis. And under the action area 4, issue is resilient food system. The actions are research and development on integrated food system and strengthening institutional collaboration and capacities, and strengthening multi-risk early warning system, strengthening innovation in climate change adaptation with a focus on coastal areas. Under the action area 5, coordinated government, strengthening capacity of all actors in governments, sustainable infrastructure, establishment linkages between food system and health system, and database and mechanism of food system will be enhanced. You know,
can you wrap up in 1 minute?
Our Honorable Prime Minister actually joined this summit, and she made some 5 asks. These are here. I am not uttering this. You know this, and our strategy with coping the COVID-19 challenges. You know that Bangladesh government has increased their yearly budget that 12% higher than the last year's budget. and there is 1,284.4 billion BDT, Bangladesh Taka, that is 15 billion US dollar is a stimulus package. This includes many food supply, food security, and many safety net programs. And our ongoing 5-year plan prioritize recovery from the pandemic and acceleration of growth. We are on track of graduation from LDC category to developing country in 2026. Our pathway document is we are leading the coalition for action to climate resilient development pathways, coalition on healthy and sustainable diets, zero hunger and school meals are other coalitions we are examining. We have just ensured or joined one coalition that is on healthy and sustainable diet, that is on climate change development pathway. This is from our side, and all the presentations. We are committed to ensuring a better life for all. Thank you for patient hearing. Thank you very much.